Hi, this is Tristan Cunningham from DIY Painting. In today's tutorial, we're going to be teaching you how to replace a generic wall outlet. So we'll start off with the tools you need. You just need a flathead screwdriver and your new outlet. They can be picked up at pretty much anywhere for about $2. So we're going to start off with taking the outlet cover from the outlet. There's just one, sometimes two flathead screws you can just take out. Set that off to the side. Then there's a screw on the top and a screw on the bottom to take the outlet out of the wall. Before you pull the outlet out any further, you're going to want to make sure to turn off the power so that you don't shock yourself. So I took the screw out of the top and I already took the screw out of the bottom. So now I can just pull this outlet out of the wall. Usually there's some wires just coiled up inside of there. And then you're going to want to get your new outlet ready. And these outlets should just be able to pull out. Yep, these outlets you can just pull straight out from. Sometimes on outlets you'll have to unscrew a little screw from the side. On these, just wiggle them out. So now that I've got the old outlet out, I can now put this new outlet on. And I've already started two of the wires. On the back of the outlet, you can see there's a side labeled white wire. And on the right side of the outlet is labeled hot wire. So the hot wire is the black wire, and I've went ahead and put this black wire in the hot wire side. And correction on my earlier statement, outlets, you can either poke the wire straight into them or you can loop it around the side. If you loop it around the side, you're going to need a wire stripper and pliers if it hasn't already been done. So you'll need those for this method. So you're going to want to strip about a 1/2 inch of copper wire. And then you're going to want to twist it. And you're going to want to twist it the direction you're going to turn the screw that locks it into place so that you don't just push it right off when you're tightening it. It'll just snap on right there, and you can tighten up your screw. So for this last wire again, I'm going to bend it over. I'm going to slide it around the screw. It should snap on. And all you have to do is screw it down until it's nice and snug. Then you can take one final look at your outlet. Make sure all the wires in there are the correct spot. Sometimes you have two sets of wires going to the outlet. It doesn't matter what orientation they go, as long as the hot wires are on the hot wire side and the white wire is on the white wire side. Once you've got it all wired up, you can simply go, and you're going to want to get these wires into a little wave sequence. So you can just push them back into here. And they all go in evenly. And then finally, all you need to do is take the top and the bottom screw, screw the outlet back into the wall, and then we're going to put this cover on it. So now that we've got this outlet screwed in nice and firmly, our final step would be putting the outlet cover on. But we're going to paint this wall, so we're going to leave this off for now. We'll include a picture of when it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.